Hello again. In our previous video, we talked about some common mistakes that beginner interior designer often make. We talked about ignoring the client lifestyle, not measuring accurately, overfilling the space, poor lighting design, and ignoring the functionality. In this page, you can also see images of the Burj Khalifa, a symbol of elegance and excellence. This iconic tower shows that by following architectural principles and blending them with your art, with your talent, we can always stand out and create something truly unique. Therefore, respecting architectural principles, even in the smallest details, can make a significant difference. So, paying attention to details really matters. These points aren't just about your bedroom decoration. They reflect the very essence of architectural design. So learn every single architectural principle you come across in YouTube right now. Really take it to heart if you want to be our future architect. In our next video, we have a special topic for you, the best interior design software for 2025 that's really worth learning. And we'll also talk about the proper AI that helps you create natural and realistic renders. So stay with us. Today we're going to talk about 5 more common mistakes that can actually stop you from succeeding in the field of interior design.
Number 6. Forgetting about scale and proportion. Mixing items that doesn't fit together visually or physically. Think in terms of visual weight and proportion. Furniture, art, and decor should relate harmoniously to each other and the room's size.
Number 7. Poor color coordination. Choosing colors that clash or are overwhelming, using too many bold tones without a neutral base. Follow the 60-30-10 rule. 60% for dominant color, 30% for secondary, and 10% for accent colors. Always test paint samples in natural and artificial light before finalizing.
Number 8. Ignoring the importance of materials and textures. Sticking to one texture or using materials that don't suit the function. Example, choosing slippery tiles for a bathroom floor. Mix textures, matte, glossy, soft, rough, and add depth. And always check materials' durability and maintenance.
Number 9. Poor communication with contractors. Not explaining design intent clearly to builders or craftsmen. Misaligned lighting fixtures or wrong finishes due to unclear drawing. You have to just provide detailed drawings, 3D visuals, and on-site supervision, and always confirm understanding before execution.
And last but not least, neglecting budget and timeline management. Overspending on luxurious finishes, too early, or missing deadlines due to poor planning. Tip: break down the budget into categories: furniture, lighting, materials, labor. Always include a 10 to 15% contingency fund and track progress all the time.
Thank you for watching this video. This channel is the School of Architecture and directly works on interior design tips and tricks. And every 10 days we share valuable insights and updates. Your support gives us the energy to keep creating and sharing more. If you really find this channel is helpful for you, don't forget to subscribe us.